Hello student, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from NSEP 2022. Solar constant for Earth is 2 calorie per centimeter square per minute. 1 calorie is given 4.2 joule. Angular diameter of the sun as seen from the Earth is 1 by 2 degree. Treating sun as a black body, its surface temperature is estimated to be nearly. Student, solar constant or Q is equal to Rs over R naught whole square sigma T to the power 4. Here sigma is being constant, which is given to us 5.67 10 to the power 8 watt per meter into Kelvin to the power 4 per minute, Kelvin to the power 4. It is given in the question paper in starting. Here we have, this is sun and this is earth. The angular diameter of the sun is given. Angular diameter means this when we take tangent from this earth to sun. This is sun. This is the radius of the sun, which is taken as Rs, and this is the distance R0 from the earth to the sun. This angular diameter is given, which is theta, and this is theta by 2, and this is theta by 2. Theta is given to us 1 by 2 degree. Therefore, theta by 2 equal to 1 by 4 degree. We take tangent of this angle. Tan theta by 2 is equal to Rs over R0, perpendicular over base. Here tan theta is very small, so we take it as 1 by 4 degree Rs upon R0. This can be changed 1 degree. We write it as pi upon 180 upon 1 by 4. So pi is 3.14 and 180 into 4, this is 720. On solving this, we got 4.4 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this is Rs upon R0. Okay, now Q equal to Rs upon R0. Q is also given in the question, which is solar constant 2 calorie per centimeter square into per minute. So we write 2 calorie, we change it in joule, so 4.2 joule upon centimeter square, so we write it as 1 upon 100 meter square into 60 in second. On solving this, we got 1400 watt per meter square into second. Now putting this value in the given equation, Q equal to Rs upon R0 whole square sigma T to the power 4. This is 1400 watt per meter square into second equal to Rs upon R0 is 4.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square, and this is been constant, which is 5.67 into 10 to the power 8 into T to the power 4. So 1400 equal to 4.4 into 4.4 into 10 to the power minus 6 and 8, this is minus 14 into 5.67 10 to t to the power 4. On solving this, because it is a long calculation, so t to the power 4, when we solve it, we got t equal to 6000 Kelvin. So T equal to 6000 Kelvin is found in option A of this question. So student, option A is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.